What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, shout out to you. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Today I have another Hypebeast mystery box. Now this one's sent out by the guy Rich. He goes by Always Rich on YouTube. He does content about streetwear, sneakers, fashion, stuff like that. So if you haven't checked him out yet, go ahead and check him out. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. So he's the one that went ahead and sent this mystery box out. I'm super hyped to get into it, so let's go ahead and do it. Wow, so there you go. It's open now. Got one more piece of tape right here. Nice tape job. Definitely appreciate it. So we have a note here. Give you guys a little look real quick. Let me go ahead and read it. What's up, Gabe? Love the channel. Keep up the work and inspire the use. P.S. Excuse the handwriting. Stay blessed. So it's actually double-sided. It says there's an awesome variety of brands in here that I hope will broaden your love for streetwear. Super dope that you did this, my guy. And then he has a value list here. I'm not going to read everything because I want to, let it be a little surprise. But he says the value here is $619. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first thing I want to pull out is the socks right here. All right, this is dope. This is actually, I think this is LeBron, right? This is 40s and shorties, a pair of like long socks, white long socks. I think that's LeBron. I'm pretty sure. I mean, I can't see who else it would be because it has that jacked up hairline, but super dope. I definitely needed a pair of socks, and these will definitely come in handy. Now, I've seen 40s and shorties a couple places, but I've never actually picked anything up from them. The quality seems very nice. It's a dope pair of socks. So let's go ahead and get into the next one. Next thing up, we have a hat right here. You have the simple black dad hat, which I cannot complain about. I definitely need more hats in my collection. I don't know what brand this is. Selective, I've never heard of them, but I mean, it seems like a cool hat. Very simple, orange and white. No lie, I picked some sneakers up yesterday that I think will go super well with these. Let me grab them real quick. So yesterday I went to Marshall's and I picked up these Adidas EQT. I got these for a steal. I got them for like 40 bucks. I mean, you cannot beat it. So it has that orange into it, and I think the hat will go pretty well with it. So that's pretty cool right there. Let's go ahead and get to the next one. Okay, next up, might as well get this one out. This seems like a hoodie. Very nice color. I like my olives, little greens. So this is from Minimal. As you guys know, if you're used to my channel, I love Minimal LA and their clothing. I think it's really good quality. This is definitely something right up my alley. It's just this plain, simple olive color hoodie right here. Definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this. I always try to get things that I can wear all the time, that I can mix and match. That's why I like really plain things like this. So this is very cool. Let's see what size this is. I don't see the size tag, but from the looks of it, it looks like it'll fit. I think we're the same size anyway. So very dope. Thank you for this. Okay, so next up we got, this looks like a t-shirt. It says Complex, that's all I can see. So, oh, this thing is fire. Yo, this, I don't even know what to say right now. I love this t-shirt right here. You have the Murakami artwork right there. Takashi Murakami, one of the best artists in my opinion. You have Complex Con, November 4th, 5th, 2017. I think you can only get this at Complex Con, so that's really fire. And on the back, it says Complex Con. Same thing, Long Beach, California. This thing is crazy. Yo, I cannot wait to wear this right here. This is fire. No lie, I was looking for a Complex Con t-shirt with the artwork like this on it, but people were taxing on Depop and Grailed and stuff, and I just did not want to pay that much for a t-shirt, but luckily I got one in this box right here. This is very dope. Thank you. Let's put this right here. Let's go ahead and get into the next one. So this one right here, we have a striped tee. Still got the tag on it. This is Entity. Never heard of this brand either, but it seems like a really simple striped tee right here. Always need a variety of brands to get into, because if you stick to the same thing, your outfits get kind of stale. So I definitely don't have anything like this. Excited to have this in the wardrobe. Okay, so let's keep it going. So far, so good. We have another t-shirt right here. Now, I'm gonna assume, ooh, what is this? What is this? Very soft tee right here. I'll give you guys a look at the print right here. I don't really know what that's, what does it say? Let me, resistant. So I don't know if that's the name of the brand or not. I'll have to look into that. But as you can see, it has just like this graphic right here. Can I read today or am I just stupid? Ask forgiveness, not permission, right there on the front. Definitely love my black tees. So let's get into the next one. Yo, this box is like freaking packed. There's more tees, but I'm gonna pull these socks out right here. Another 40s and shorties sock. Now this one has the 40s on it, only right, 40s and shorties. I'm definitely gonna be getting a lot of wear out of these ones right here. Now I don't know if some of you guys are old enough to drink, but 40s, not very good. Socks, very dope though. So let's go ahead and move on, put that right there. Let's grab this t-shirt. It's like this cream t-shirt. And I have seen this t-shirt before. This is a Mint Crew tee. I have a couple items from Mint Crew, like the track pants, the shorts, and stuff like that. I have a couple of tees as well, but I don't have this one. This one's really clean. It's like this creamish color. Nothing on the front, but on the back, on the bottom, it says Mint Crew right there. Super clean, super nice. They had like a sale not too long ago. I was gonna pick this up, but I was like, you know what? I'm trying to save money. I'm not gonna spend it, but I got it in this box right here. Super excited to wear this one right here. Okay, so next up we have, this looks like a tank top to me, honestly. Is it? Yes, this is from Minimal. I honestly didn't even know Minimal had tank tops. So as you know, like today is like 90 degrees and this is definitely appropriate. I have no tank tops whatsoever, but this one right here is just this clean gray tank top. Definitely getting me out of my comfort zone. So I really like that. And this box is actually packed, dude. So they still have a lot more to get into. So let's get into this t-shirt right here. Now let's see what this is. Black tee. I love my blacks. And this is a tee. I don't know, what brand is this? Other Criteria. So this one has this like this flooded out diamond skull right here. Bust down, big rollies. But this right here, simple, clean. Definitely see myself wearing it. Bust down scully. I like that. Let's go ahead and move on. So moving on, we have a pair of denim right here, but I'm gonna get into this t-shirt first and then we'll get into that denim. So here we have, looks like a white tee. This is a Zane robe t-shirt. This one says, they don't know me, and has it crossed out, like you know me. Very clean, very simple. I don't know if I give you guys a nice look, but there you go right there. And on the inside it has Zane robe right there. Very clean, simple shirt that you can just wear out. So moving on to the denim right here. This is a pair of Syndicate denim. I feel like I've heard of the brand, but I don't really know too much about it. The wash is super nice. So here you have this Syndicate denim. It has like that creamish base to it, which I really like in all my denim. It looks very tapered, which is what I like. It has the zippers on the bottom. Back, you have Syndicate right there. Hope you guys can see that. Size 32, which should fit nice. So right here, Syndicate denim. I'm definitely gonna have to try these on. I don't really have a pair of denim that looks like this. Like it has like that creamish base to it. So super pumped to have this in the rotation. One little detail that I do like about this is that it has like the distressing on the pockets right there. I think that's a cool little touch. I definitely can't wait to try these on. So let's go ahead and move on. And as you can see, it's piling up right here. So shout out to you, my guy. And then we have this t-shirt right here. This t-shirt is interesting. I don't really know, there's no like brand to it. I should look at that note he gave me, but as you can see, it has like a little logo right here. It looks like it says AK right there. And then on the back of the t-shirt, you have just this guy smoking a cigarette with a rose right there. This is really clean. It's a very soft t-shirt. So honestly, I like my blacks. I like my whites. It's simple, something I would wear and I can just throw on. Definitely need more tees as well. So I'm hyped to have this one. Let's go ahead and get into another one. So we have like, this is the last thing in the box right here. So this is a pair of Goldens. Is it that brand? What's that brand called? Okay, yeah, so it is this brand called Golden Denim. I do follow them on Instagram, but I never copped anything from them. So let's go ahead and see what these actually look like. So these are just like some tan pants. Ooh, that's clean. It has like the little bullet right there. I don't know if you guys can see that little detailing right here. I'll try to get a close-up of that. But super clean. It has like the black stripe going down the side with the zippers on the bottom. Now the quality is very good. I definitely makes me want to pick up some more from Golden, but as you can see right here, very clean, very simple. I'm super happy with everything that came in this box right here. Like, you packed a lot in this box and I definitely appreciate it. Now, if you guys want to get your own box from him, he does do these mystery boxes here and there. Go ahead and follow him on Instagram. He'll announce it whenever he does it. Give him a follow. He kills it on the gram. And again, follow him on his YouTube channel. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up for me. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Thank you guys for watching if you watched up to this point, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.